Did I just change my shirt and do my hair differently just to film another video? Yes. Yes, I did. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Alise. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing my nighttime skincare routine, going through what I use during my nighttime skincare routine because it's different from my morning skincare routine. My nighttime skincare routine's a bit more intense. I use more products. I exfoliate sometimes during the night rather than the daytime. So yeah, let's just get right into this. I recommend every single product that I'm telling you that I love. I'm not a professional at all. What works for me might not work for you, so just keep that in mind when I'm mentioning these products. First, I'm going to start off with what cleansers I use. So I have two different cleansers that I use. One, if I'm feeling a little bit more oily, I will reach for this one. So this one is the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. I mentioned this, I think, in my morning skincare routine also. I absolutely love this stuff. It comes with 12 fluid ounces, which is a lot, and it's only like, I think, $10-ish, give or take. I love this stuff. I find it really takes off my makeup. I use makeup wipes to initially take off my makeup, but then I always go in with a cleanser because makeup wipes do not remove all of your makeup at all. So yeah, I love this stuff. It gets the job done. It doesn't dry me out either. It does have a hyaluronic acid in it, which hyaluronic acid basically keeps your skin from drying out and it provides moisture to your skin. So I absolutely love this stuff. Another cleanser I use if I'm feeling a little bit more dry or if I feel like my skin just needs some more moisture in it and I don't want to use a cleanser that is more geared towards oily skin, I use the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. I absolutely love this stuff. It does have a bit of a weird scent to it that you kind of have to get used to, but it does not bother me at all. I love this stuff. It's very gentle. It is a very gentle cleanser. I do find that it does, though, remove that excess makeup. I can use it over my eyes and it's not going to tug away at my eyes or anything. I love this stuff. Highly recommend. Along with my cleansers, I also use my Luna Foreo 2. This is the one for sensitive skin. I absolutely love this stuff. Love this thing. Love this thing. I love it. So basically, yeah, I really like this. I have been using it for maybe a month and a half now, almost 2 months now, and I really like it. I notice a difference in the texture of my skin, honestly. Like, it almost is like it's getting rid of those blackheads and helping break up that dirt in your nose. You know how you get those like little blackheads in your nose? I feel like it definitely like helps to break that down. I absolutely love this stuff. I have the one for sensitive skin again. So I want to go into what I would kind of do next after I'm done cleansing my face. So usually what I'll do is I will go in with either an exfoliant or a toner. So well, both. So I do not exfoliate every single day. I exfoliate maybe 3 to 4 times a week, depending on how much I feel like my face needs to be exfoliated. So one of my favorite exfoliating combos, I guess. So this is the Tatcha rice enzyme powder. I love this stuff. This is great on its own. You just put a little bit in your palm, add a little bit of water, and then it's a great gentle exfoliator. They do have one for combination oily skin. I think they have a sensitive one also, and they have another one maybe for, I think it's for deep exfoliation. I have just the classic rice enzyme powder. I absolutely love this stuff, but what I've been doing recently, instead of mixing this in with water, I actually mix it in with the Tatcha One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil, and I find that it creates this paste. So it's more of a harsh exfoliant, but it's not going to tear away at your skin, and it's not going to create like little mini tears at all. So basically I mix these two together and it creates this really nice texturized paste, and I just kind of rub that into my skin and then I'll rinse it away with warm water, and then it literally, my skin just feels so smooth, so soft. I love these two together. Sometimes I also will use the cleansing oil on its own if I feel like I want to remove, you know, more eye makeup and I want to do that gently. I love this stuff. It is great. Another thing I will do sometimes is a detoxifying mask. Now I have one detoxifying mask that I love to death and I have been using for years now, years and years and years. and it is from a brand called True Self Organics. You can get it online. It is made in Traverse City, Michigan, and I am from Michigan, so I love this so much. It is a brand designed by her name on Instagram is Supermodel Mama. She is adorable. I absolutely love this brand. I found out about it, I swear it was like in high school, so like 4 or 5 years ago, and I've been using it ever since. I absolutely love this. It's very affordable as well, and it works. It definitely works. I will recommend True Self Organics to anybody I talk to. Like, hey, have you tried out True Self Organics? Because it's amazing. I love it that much. So this is the detoxifying mask. This is actually the old packaging because it lasts me so long I haven't had to get a new one yet. And it's basically a powder. So, it's a powder. So you mix it in. You can either mix it in with water, or what I like to do is I like to mix it in with the detoxifying solution that they sell also. They do come in kits also, so you can get that in kits. I will link the link below to their website. I love it. So this is the detoxifying solution. Basically what this is, it is water. So it has the ingredients. So it's purified water, Epsom salt, organic apple cider vinegar. So that is it. And obviously it's True Self Organic, so everything is organic and cruelty free. I love it. So basically what this does is you put it on, you mix it all together, you put it on your skin for around 15 to 30 minutes depending on how sensitive your skin is, and it literally just sucks all of the bad stuff out of your skin, and it makes your skin feel super tight and plump and whatnot. Sometimes your skin can get a little bit red the first time you use it, and that is perfectly normal if you read the website and all of that. It's basically circulating your skin, so it does get a little red, but that's fine. It goes away. It does not last. Don't worry. But yeah, this is my favorite. They also just came out with a soothing mask. This is the new packaging. So they came out with a soothing mask, and I've been loving this also. It's just as wonderful. I love it. So I only use that about 2 to 3 times a week. You can use it more, I believe, but I only do it 2 to 3 times a week since I use a little bit other exfoliators and different types of masks. 2 other masks that I have been loving is the Glam Glow Super Mud. These are the mini ones. This is the Glam Glow Super Mud and then the Glam Glow Gravity Mud. So basically the Super Mud is that gray charcoal mask, like so. And basically what this does, it's almost the same thing as that detoxifying mask. It's gonna really suck out those blackheads and dirt out of your skin, and I really like it a lot. I find it does work. The only thing with this is that it does kind of sting on me, like my eyes kind of water sometimes when I use it, so I don't know, it's a give or take with that. Sometimes it really stings, sometimes it doesn't. So, but I do love this stuff a lot. Again, I don't use this every day. I only use it maybe once a week. And then the Gravity Mud is this really cool. So it's white, but when you put it on and it starts to dry, it actually gets silver. And then it's a peel-off mask. And basically what that does, it's literally like instant Botox for your face. And I really, really, really enjoy that. I've never had Botox, but basically this is what I think Botox would be if you got Botox. So yeah, I really like that stuff. Those are the masks that I use. Then I just wanted to mention 2 sheet masks that I have been really, really liking lately. They are from Alise, and it is the coconut and rice sheet mask and then the green tea and vitamin C sheet mask. So this one is if I'm feeling a little bit dry and I want a little bit more moisture on my skin. I use this, and then if I feel like I want to brighten up my skin, I will use the green tea and vitamin C one, since vitamin C really helps to brighten your skin and add to that brightness of your complexion, and I really like these. Then another thing I will use is basically this is a chemical peel. It is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel, and it looks like this. So basically it comes with 2 sides to it. So the first side is to exfoliate and smooth, and then the second one is an anti-aging neutralizer. I really do love these. They have one for an everyday use, and it says you can use this every day, but this one's the extra strength one, so I definitely don't use this every day. I maybe use it once every 2 days, I would say, once every other day or once every 2 days, depending on how my skin's feeling. Basically, it is a chemical exfoliant. So what it's really going to do, it's going to help with that texture on your skin and help with those pores. It reduces the size of your pores, and I really like this stuff. Now, next I usually go in with a toner. So again, the toner that I love is the Ole Henriksen Balancing Force Oil Control Toner. I've mentioned this before. I love it. I'm not going to go into too much detail because I have other videos on it, but it definitely helps with oil control and pores, and I absolutely love this stuff. So after I go in with my toner, I have just started to use this Derma E Scar Gel. So basically what this is for, it is for little acne scars, and I have a few from past acne marks that, you know, are there, and I use them on more recent acne marks as well, and I definitely notice a difference. And I also have this giant scar on my elbow from cheerleading, and I've been using it on that as well, and I actually notice it going down quite a bit. So I'm actually really impressed with this stuff. I really like this, and I'm really happy that I've added it to my routine. Next, I'll usually go in with a serum. So the serum that I've been using and that I've been loving is the Drunk Elephant TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. I absolutely love this stuff. It is a chemical exfoliant. So when you use a chemical exfoliant with any of those AHAs and BHAs, you really want to make sure that you're using sunscreen. Now, I do put on sunscreen every day, and I also have a tinted moisturizer with SPF in it. I try not to be out in the sun that much. So I love this stuff. It definitely retexturizes your skin. If you have like texturized skin, I highly recommend this. I think it works great. I noticed a difference the first night I used it. I'm still on my first bottle. They have a few different sizes. I think this one is just the generic size. This is pretty pricey. I believe it was $90, which is pretty pricey. Most of my skincare is kind of pricey just because I really do believe in skincare, and I am willing to splurge more on skincare rather than makeup just because I want my skin to look its best, so my makeup will perform at its best. After that, I will go in with a moisturizer. So I do a moisturizer before an oil. The moisturizer isn't going to sit on top well of a oil. If you put a moisturizer on first and then an oil, it's just going to sit a lot better, and that oil is able to sink into that moisturizer. So I have two different moisturizers that I like to use at night. They're actually kind of the same moisturizers that I use during the day. So it is, one of them is the Tatcha Water Cream, and then the other one is the Ole Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. Now, depending on how I'm feeling, if I'm feeling a little bit more bougie, I'll go towards my Tatcha. If I'm feeling like, hey, I just want a more of a brightening effect, I use the Sea Rush Brightening Cream. Or if I want to smell really good, I use this. Just kind of depends. I like both of them. They are amazing. They get the job done. The water cream's a bit more lightweight, so I do like this. If I'm feeling a little bit more oily, I will definitely reach towards the water cream. If I'm feeling a bit more dry, I definitely reach towards the Ole Henriksen one. Lastly, for my skincare, I go to oils. So I have two different oils that I've been using lately. One of them is an oil if I'm feeling a little bit more dry. Typically I use this one every single day rather than this other one, but the first one I use is the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. I absolutely love this stuff. If you have oily skin, this does not make it any more oily. It definitely soaks into your skin very nicely. I love this stuff. It pretty much leaves you feeling like a baby, like baby smooth skin, and I absolutely love this stuff. This one's the mini size. I think this mini size is $40 and you get 0.5 fluid ounces. I'm not sure the price of the bigger bottle, but I will have links below. And the other one I just mentioned in my monthly favorites, it is the Sunday Riley UFO Ultra Clarifying Face Oil, and I've just started using this about a month or so ago, and I absolutely love it. I find that it does work, and it doesn't leave my skin feeling oily or greasy or anything. The only thing about this is it does have a pretty strong scent to it, so if you are sensitive to smell, I would definitely go in store and check it out and see how you're gonna like it. If you're sensitive to smell, I don't think you would like this. I'm not too sensitive to smell, so it doesn't bother me that much, but it's definitely something that you have to get used to. I absolutely love this stuff. It helps with breakouts, it helps with, you know, the pores on your face, it helps with blackheads, and it basically it says that it has that salicylic acid. It helps clear up acne and blackhead causing buildup and debris from congested pores for smoother blemish-free skin. So it does have that tea tree oil in it as well, which is really great for acne scars and acne marks, and I really like this stuff. I recommend it even if you don't have very bad acne. I don't have very bad acne, but I still find that it works for the little acne spots that I do get. Yeah, so that is my nighttime skincare routine. Some of the things I kind of went out of order in, but you know, those are just the products that I use the most during the nighttime, and I find really have made a difference in my skin. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I make new videos. I will see you guys next time. Bye!